Okay guys, I'm working on a 2003 745i BMW. We're gonna remove um, the sunroof motor. So we have to remove this one. So the first thing you have to do, I don't know, this part was missing. So I think just pull it. And this one, just put your fingers up here. See. Like that. Take it out and remove these connectors here. See? And then remove this one. So this one. Okay, and going to disconnect this little connectors here, and this one too. There you go. All right, so we have one, two, and 3 bolts. And for that, we're going to use a T25 at 6 points. T25 6 points. We'll remove this one in the middle. Okay, this one here, and this one right here. Okay, and I guess that's it. All right. We play a little bit. There you go. All right. So we have the motor right there. Okay, and you're gonna press this down. Okay. So here's the old one. So I'm gonna get the new one. So I don't think I need to show you how to install it because it's really easy to do it. Thank you guys for watching. This video was really easy. So thank you again, and I'll see you next time.